Disregard females, acquire curves. I love it. Oh!
That's from a
Oh, nice.
Navy ship. That's
yeah, he was in the Navy.
We're going. I don't have guns. Where's he going? Oh, y'all are following me. I thought you were kidding. Gosh, dang it. Yeah, kill the other team. Oh, shoot, it tripped. I can't see anything. I'll follow you, man. Overwatch. You good? I should probably get a dump pouch.
Oh, dude, yeah, it's so worth it.
I should probably invest in one of those. I just put them back in my holster.
It's so hard to do that on the fly.
Yeah. But hey, if I do enough, I might get used to it.
Nah, man. I did
Nah.
it too much. You bought a drop pouch.
I was like, alright, just drop it.
Here, we got a bunker.
Yeah. I see one over there. Yeah, I see. I hear it. We have audio contact. Oh, there's a sniper? Oh, come on. There's always snipers here. I'm dumplings. Oh, no, he sees me. Don't hit. I got you. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're in, baby.
Whoa, he's right there.
Ah, I'm hit. I'm down.
Oh, I'm hit. I know.
It's okay. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
I was crazy enough to do it anyway. I'm down.
If
Oh, hit me in the nuts.
Hit.
Ah, my
What am I
eye.
supposed to do? I'm hit.
Dude, I got my gun up. He shot me in the butt, dude. It hurt.
Shit, this was down.
I know, got my guns up. I can't feel my legs. Everything's getting cold, man. It's all getting dark. Medic! I can't tell my family I love them. This boy ain't coming back. Oh gosh!
Hey.
I keep getting shot.
Yeah, we're both down.
I'm gonna find that guy and tap him.
Hey.
Stop!
Oh, they're shooting down.
They're shooting down. Stop.
No, they're shooting him right behind him.
Whoa.
He's in the line of fire. Don't do it, dude. Sorry. Lay down. Oh.
Ah!
Shit.
I got hit in the nuts. Stop! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, touch me. Oh. Oh baby.
No.
You didn't even know. You didn't know I was down? How about I shoot you?
Where's my father?
Father? For the Alamo.
Wow. Fuck off.
Stay out there. Tango, sucker. I got no range on this gun, dude. I need to bring my M16 next time. At least there, at least I have a chance, fighting chance.
Oh, you're just saying you're gonna bring your other gun.
Oh, my Romero? I'll bring both of them.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have the.
Yeah, I got no visual. You got a visual?
I got a visual and an empty mag. Frick.
What's this rope here?
I think it's like
You probably should go in there.
they call it dead man's land.
Like a wasp nest? Probably. Alright, so there was one of them against a tree way back there. Yeah. Giving out the orange tips.
I'm pretty sure most of the people should take up the orange tips.
Yeah, you don't have to have them washed.
You don't? I thought you did.
Isn't it California that like you have a strike? If you're under 18, you probably do.
Oh, I'm 23. Last I checked.
But it's an open carry state. So if you wanted to, you could walk around with an airsoft pistol on your hip because it's an open carry state.
Washington's an open carry state?
Yes, it is. Yeah, my dad carries one.
What the heck? I never knew that.
You only have to have I got people who
So you're saying right now, if I wanted, I could just carry an airsoft pistol on my hip like a cowboy.
Nobody's gonna know that it's an airsoft pistol.
I didn't know Washington was open carry. I know
Open
Texas
carry state,
was.
so you can carry a gun anywhere.
Tennessee, Texas. What else is open carry?
Well, you can carry it into places to the west.
Oh.
A restaurant like Hey Frank down in here.
Oh, then all right. I'll just conceal it.
I don't know. Got any visual over there?
I can smell them.
Alright guys, I'm gonna move.
I can taste them. I'll cover. I'll follow you, man. Go, all right. I'll move it. Are we taking names?
Way back there. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
See, I see him, but my guns ain't doing squat. Covering. Are you down? Okay. Is that a minigun? What the heck is that? To the left, to the left. Everything you own in a box, to the left. I see him. He's acting weird. He's a creeper. He's creeping up. Shoot, 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 shoot. Stay down. Okay. And then I'm gonna go for this dude. I'm gonna go for him after you come here. He's down. Yeah. I got you, homie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get back in. I should probably invest in a primary. Let's be real here. Oh. What's that? Oh. Okay. No, he was talking to him. Okay.
There's a guy.
Yeah. Okay. Someone's down. Not yet. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're back in, my man. It's like Hacksaw Ridge up in here. Nice. Magazine? Yeah. Not for long. Stay there. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. You're good. You're good. Go. Hey, bud. Magazine. Yeah. You out? There's a guy trying to shoot me. Did I get hit? Did I ricochet? From my 12. In front of me, yeah. They shot him on accident, but they're trying to shoot for me. I think they're in there. I can't tell. I'm moving up. Hit. I'm hit. They're in front of me. I can't tell though. I'm hit. Okay, I mean they can. Oh. Watch out. They seem to be lobbing their shots. It looks like. Thanks, man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want me to go get him? I'll go for it. You have a better gun than me, anyways. No, I don't for it. Thanks. Don't worry. I just do this because I want it. I don't do it for the glory. Alright. Oh, that's not like farms. No! I got you! You know, he's down! Dang it. You should have shot a medic. You need a medic? Okay. Nice shot. Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Oh no. Do you need a medic or? Okay, we're good. I thought you needed a medic. We good? Yep. Nice. Okay. Find the branch. Okay, where is he? Is he over there in the front? In the bushes? I see him. What's happening? I'm hit. Yeah. I was gonna. You out of ammo? Thanks. Do you need ammo? Okay. Thanks. Let's go. Who's hit? Who's hit? Who's hit? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. You're good. Where's he at again? He's out of ammo, alright. I know that. I'm down! Boy! You need a medic? Oh, I need you. Oh. Yeah, there's medics, I forgot. So out of breath, dude. I'm out of shape. Need to hit you. Oh, I see a guy. No, he's moving. Okay, he's out. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for this place. At least he's.
No food tastes better than pussy, I'll tell you that.
Oh, yeah. Tell you now.
A friend of yours dying now.
No, I'm good. I'm quick to recover.
Dude, I'm telling you, man. I don't know how I didn't think about that.
Sometimes you don't call the hits.
I really hope that got recorded, by the way, because that's going to be a great shot.
I don't know if my thing's going to what I'm looking at.
Red light's on.
Okay. So last time I pressed record, I thought I didn't press hard enough. Whew.
Tag us in it, Team Swayze.
Team Swayze.
On Facebook.
I'll give you my phone and put your name in. I'll make a channel too called Maniac Airsoft. I don't know. Where's he at? That barricade? I'm gonna try and move up. dude. Wait till I get a better pistol. You wouldn't have standing chance. This gun shoots too much to left or right.